Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use my Android application called Triangle Solver to solve a triangle. Okay, let's start with an example. For example, if we know that AB is 5 centimeters, BC is 12 centimeters, and AC is 8 centimeters, and we want to compute the other um, unknown values of this triangle, and we want to set the angles, and we want the angles to be in degrees, so we don't switch the radian switch on, we just keep it off, so the angles would be in degrees. And let's say we want to have the number of decimal places to be 6. All we need to do is to press the compute button now, and it would compute the angles for us. So angle A would be 133.43 approximately degrees, angle B 28.95, and angle C 17.61 degrees approximately. And then it would also give us the heights of the triangle, namely CF, AD, and BE. CF, for example, is 5.81 centimeters approximately, and area is 14.5 2 centimeters squared approximately, and perimeter is 25 centimeters. Now, if you have watched my other video tutorials, you have seen that I actually solved this triangle using Huron's formula and found the area to be approximately 14.52 centimeters squared. Okay, so let's try solving another triangle. Let's say, for example, AB is 12 centimeters, BC is 18 centimeters, and the angle between them, which is angle B, is 30 degrees. Again, all we need to do is to press the compute button, and it would solve the triangle for us. In this case, area is 54 centimeters squared. Okay, let's say that now we want to operate in radian mode. So we reset it. Uh, Remember that we need to choose whether we want to operate in radian mode, and also the number of decimal places at the beginning before pressing the compute button. So let's say AB is 12 centimeters, BC is 8 centimeters, and the angle between them, which is angle B, is 0.4 radians. So we switch the radian button on before pressing the compute button, and then press the compute button. It would give us the angles in radian, and the other values would be um, either centimeters or centimeters squared for area, everything else in centimeters, if the AB and BC and AC are in centimeters. Very important point, we need to keep the sides of the triangle in the same unit, and angles also in the same unit. Okay, so let's solve another triangle. Let's say, for example, AC is 20 centimeters, and angle B and C, or we switch back the angle mode to degrees. Let's say angle B is 30 degrees and angle C is 54.98 degrees, and we want to operate in degree mode, and we want the number of decimal places to be 8. So we click the compute button, and it would solve the triangle for us. It would compute the heights, ACF, ADBE, area, perimeter, and the other unknown values. Now, this application software is called Triangle Solver, and it is available on Google Play, and it is free. It has one small ad here, and it's got also my information here. Okay, so this is the end of this video tutorial. My name is Sean, and my website is www.mathengineering.net. I hope you liked this video tutorial, and wish you enjoy using this Triangle Solver software. Thank you so much for watching.